I am late for the airport. I need to hurry now. My flight is at 10 a.m. I need my passport. I packed my bag quickly. I am calling a taxi now. The taxi is coming soon. I am waiting outside. The road has traffic. I check my time again. I tell the driver to go fast. I finally arrive at the airport. I go to security check. I remove my shoes. I wait in the waiting room. I hear the boarding call. I enter the airplane. I sit near the window. The plane takes off. I am flying high. I made it on time.